Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Korean beauty unboxing to show you, and it's Joahbox, and this is what the box looks like. So as always, if you're not familiar with Joahbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown, but if you've seen it all before and you're just interested in seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Joahbox is a monthly beauty box. It comes straight from South Korea and they ship worldwide for free. Inside contains a mix of skincare, makeup and hair care, and sometimes we've had beauty tools like makeup brushes as well. And inside every single box, one of those items will be a face mask, a sheet mask. All products that are featured are all full size and trending Korean beauty products. If you go online on their website, they show you tips and tricks on how to use the products inside the boxes, plus you are able to look back at previous boxes. So if you're not quite sure after watching this video if this box is for you, but you fancy seeing what previous boxes have been like, then definitely recommend checking their website out because they do have some photos up there to show you the type of things that you'll receive. When you sign up, you get to fill in a short questionnaire. It's just so that they can personalize the box to you as much as they can. So it's things like what is your skin type, your skin tone, and whether you prefer more makeup or skincare or a mix of both. So the cost of the box then is in dollars, and it's $35.95, which works out to be around £27–28 and about €31. That's for a monthly box, which you can cancel anytime. They also offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription as well. This box is kindly gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I've been receiving this now for about nearly a year, I think. So I'm really grateful, and I'm always excited to receive this box because it's something a little bit different, and I found some amazing products in these boxes over the last couple of months as well, especially like their skincare. Their skincare is fab, really good. It is on the pricier end of subscription boxes, but the value of the boxes are usually double of what you pay for the box. So if it's something that really takes your fancy, or if you've tried Korean skincare or makeup products before, then this box might be for you. But it's not going to be for everyone. All links and everything related to this box I'll pop down below. So if underneath this video you see show more, click that. That will bring up the description and all details will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this box up. So inside you've got a little leaflet here, and in here tells you everything about the products, and it also gives you the price. So I'm able to refer to this as we go along and also tell you the overall value of the box at the end. And these are the items. So the first item we got is a sunblock, and this is a UV mild sticker, and this is by Love P, and it says we make products with honesty by excluding animal experiments and using high quality nature derived ingredients instead of harmful chemical ingredients. And this is 40 mils. So that's the outer packaging there. I love the skin blocks, really lovely. I think I had one, is it called Hello Farmer? Or Thank You Farmer? Thank You Farmer, I think it is. It is brilliant, really good. I had that a good couple of months ago, and yeah, it's going. I'm gonna have to look online to see if I can get it anywhere else that ships to the UK, because it is amazing. Or unless this takes its place, we'll have to wait and see. So that's what it looks like there. Let's try a little bit on my hand. Just nice and lightweight, really nice. Not thick and sticky either, which I think is what that Thank You Farmer's like as well, which I like because I like to wear sunblock on top of my skincare and under makeup. It has to fit in with what I'm wearing. And if it's too thick and too gloopy, no, it's not for me. But no, that feels lovely. It's just got a very nice, natural, sort of fresh smell. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed with that. Let's see what it says about it though. So the recommended retail price for this is $18. This sunblock is a physical sunscreen that is blocking UV by creating a barrier on your skin. Unlike chemical sunscreens, physical sunscreens are safe to use on sensitive skin, even for babies, but unlike chemical ones, they are usually dry and cause white cast. But this sunblock UV mild seeker from Love P is moist as much as moisturizing cream and does not cause white cast. Also, it is composed with no harmful chemical components included. That sounds amazing. That sounds really good. So no, really chuffed with that. So that's the first item. Next we've got something that has really pretty outer packaging, and this is True, and it's a violet petal black tea hydrating moisturizer for all skin types. Got 120 mils here. That's what the outer packaging looks like. So what is it? A hydrating moisturiser. My gosh, that's a massive bottle then. 120. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Look at that. It's like a purple tinged bottle. I'm assuming it's the bottle and not the cream inside. I might be wrong. I'll try it now. Oh, that is really pretty, really nice. Ooh, so it's a moisturiser. It could be a body moisturiser, like a body cream. That is super, super lightweight and hydrating. It is very liquidy, so you only need a tiny, tiny bit on your hand. It smells a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of tea, but it smells quite fresh. That's all really. I can't really smell much, but it feels like I've applied a very silky water on my hand. It is super lightweight. It is absorbing really nicely into my skin. Wow. Okay, let's see what it says about it here. The recommended retail price for this moisturiser is $24. And it says, this lightweight moisturiser made with mallows and violets will make you feel relaxed. It restores the natural skin balance by preventing excess oils from the T-zone and dehydration from the U-zone. U-zone, I've never heard of that before. It's here though, isn't it, obviously? This therapeutic tea face cream helps to cleanse and protect the skin's natural moisture barrier against harmful elements. Overall, it'll help you to maintain healthy skin. It will make you feel relaxed and comfortable. This moisturiser has a silky texture and is easy to absorb into the skin, delivering adequate moisture without any stickiness. I can't believe the size of that. That is going to last ages and ages and ages. And you only need a tiny, tiny bit as well. I can't wait to give that a go on my skin, see what that is like. So there's that. Next we got a lipstick and it's in a really cool packaging. Let me get it out for you. It's like a test tube. Oh, doesn't want to come out. There. It's like a little test tube. So this is Twist Velvet Tint by Passion Cat and it's number 6 Dry Rose. It's one of these twisty things. Hold on. Right, let's try it in my hand. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, I've put too much on here now. I've put too much on, oh my gosh. Look, sorry I didn't show you the nib. It's one of those twisty things, so you twist it until the liquid comes out, or the lipstick. That is a lovely colour. That's like a mousse. Can you see there? It's like a mousse on my hand. Wow. Now, all the lipsticks I've had from this box have been really lovely. Really nice, but they're all stains. All of them stain for hours and hours, which is great. I don't mind it, but I know a few of you don't like that. But yeah, I'm just thinking now, I've just got a massive blob on there. We're gonna like have a big like blob of stain on there afterwards. This lipstick by Passion Cat is worth $16. With one swipe you can get full coverage of vibrant colour. Really easy to apply. The lipstick will not dry your lips and create natural looking pouty lips. The lipstick contains pearl extract and vitamin E. Oh, I really like that. Yeah, I really like that. The colour is gorgeous, really pretty. So there's that. So we've got 2 masks left in the box and the first one is a sheet mask and this is Aqua Ampure Mask and this is a moisture sheet mask by ReXL Dr. Care Solution Ampure Mask 2 Peptide. So it looks like there. We always get a sheet mask, as I said at the start, we always get a sheet mask in a box. So the recommended retail price for this is $7 and it said this face mask mainly contains peptide, which is a connected form of a few amino acids. Peptide reduces wrinkles and increases elasticity. It is also nutritious and moisturizing for your skin. The sheet of this pack is made with cellulose fabric in order to bring even more effect. And then it goes on to telling you about the different ingredients and it says to apply to your face, leave for 10 to 20 minutes, peel off and then massage the excess serum into your face. So there's that. And then lastly we've got another mask. Now we don't normally have 2 masks, but it's a hand mask. It is a little bit different. It's Sally's Box Friendly Cherry Blossom Hand Mask and it's all in Korean, I think. There's some English at the back there. I'll have a look at the leaflet. So that's what it looks like there. Funny packaging. So the recommended retail price for this is £3. It says Sally's Box Friendly Cherry Blossom is a moisturising hand mask. It contains shea butter to provide extra moisture. This mask is perfect for those who want to care for their rough and dry hands or to complement treatment for your manicure. So there's that. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up and I'll be back to you then. So these are all the items inside an October Joahbox. There's 5 items in all and the total value comes to around $68. We've got a lipstick, we've got a sunblock and we've got a moisturiser, then we've got a sheet mask and a hand mask. I think these 3 are the ones that excite me the most. I think I said recently in a video that even though I use sheet masks all the time, I really like them. I do them a couple of times a week. I do them on about twice a week, and I like to do clay masks now and again as well. There's nothing wrong with them, but they don't excite me as much as other beauty products then. These 3 actually are oh my gosh, I'm really excited to give them a go. The lipstick looks gorgeous. I've just got to be careful how I apply it because it looks like a heck of a lot of products coming out there. So yeah, so overall, I think it's a lovely box. It is lovely. Joahbox doesn't disappoint me, in all honesty. Joahbox does not disappoint me. I do really like it. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you get it yourself? What do you think of the contents? Or is it a box that doesn't take your fancy, or you think it's a bit overpriced, or all your thoughts and opinions? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.